Let's dive deeper into how Vibrante-Node runs your workflows, combining the power of flow control and data-driven logic. First, notice the white ports on some nodes. These are exec pins. Connect them to define the order of operations, so your workflow runs step by step, just like a flowchart. But not every node needs exec pins. Some nodes are data only. They react instantly when their inputs change, updating outputs in real time. This makes your workflows more dynamic and responsive. Vibrante-Node's hybrid execution engine combines both worlds. When you run your workflow, it automatically pulls the latest data from all connected nodes, even if they don't have exec pins, so every operation uses the freshest values. Behind the scenes, the engine uses topological sorting. It figures out the right order to run each node, making sure every step has the data it needs, no matter how complex your graph gets. With exec pins, data-only nodes, and smart execution flow, you can build anything from simple chains to advanced reactive systems, confident that everything will run smoothly every time.